What's up, guys? I'm back, another video, and today we are making a shark rig, because I've had to make my own shark rigs now. I haven't been able to use Colby's shark rigs, so I have to figure out how to make shark rigs myself. I figured out how to make shark rigs, and then, so I'm just gonna tell y'all how to make shark rigs. It's very easy, it's very simple. Stuff you'll need is you need your American fishing wire toothproof, number 12. I got color brown, 174 pound wire. Sorry. Ugh. So it's late. I'm trying to talk kind of quietly. Everybody's asleep in the house, but you will need hooks, mono for your when you connect your wire to your braid, or your mono to mono or braid to mono, or whatever you're all using for bait. Not bait, for line. So I'm gonna get everything set up. Oh, and I got this thing. It just helps me with all the haywire twist and all that. So first thing we're gonna do, gotta get right here, like this. So you have and you'll need a snap swivel. You get like 100-pound snap swivel off Amazon for like $5 for like a pack of like 100 of them or something. And then you'll need to get your two hooks. I'm gonna use the 7/0 circle hook, or you could use whatever's cheaper in your place. You could use 6/0 or 7/0. I wouldn't go 5/0. That's just me though. You could go 5/0 if you want, but you're kind of pushing the limits for the bait you can hook. So I got these at Bass Pro Shops for $5, $6. And then, for weights, oh yeah, that's right. Well, I went night fishing tonight, and I lost 2 leaders. I wasn't fishing for sharks, and then something with teeth, I think it was a shark, bit my line off. It was great. So I lost two 4-ounce weights. And weight you want to use is a 4 ounce, a 6 ounce, or 8 ounce. Whatever your rod can really throw. If it's a 4 ounce, then get a 4 ounce. So, yeah. That's just if you can cast a little further, get it out there. So, yeah. We'll get everything set up and ready to go. Oh, and you need wire cutters. Like this. Well, just to cut your wire, or you can kink it. Really just your preference, kind of. So first thing you gotta do is get your wire out. You want to get about this much, should be fine, because it will go down when you do all the twists. So go there, you'll cut it. So you got it like this, and then you gotta get your hook, your SSW circle hook, or Gamakatsu hook, or so this is the first time actually seeing 7/0 hooks. Pretty big, bulky, like them, sturdy. I like using circle hooks for shark rigs. It hooks them in the corner of the mouth. I did catch 2 sharks so far on the beach. Hoping I can catch more tomorrow, because tomorrow's our last day. And so when you take it, you're going to insert the wire through the eye of the hook like that, and this is where it gets interesting. So yeah, we're going to go like right here. Move everything out of the way. So what you'll want to do right here is go up, twist it to where it's like this, and then you have that little tiny like a V like thing, so that's where the hook is. Hold the hook. You're gonna twist. Ow, sharp hook. Ow, God. You're gonna twist the wire around itself, not on itself, but around itself. Once you do 3 times, I like to do 3 times. And then you're gonna, so when you have it like that, see, it's not on itself yet. It's not wrapped around itself. You got your hook at the bottom. You got your wire kind of at a 90-degree angle, somewhat. Maybe it's 80 or whatever. Now it's, there you go, like that. So when you twist it, see, so this is where this tool comes in handy. Because this tool is very handy. So what we're gonna do, I'm trying to figure this out. Okay. So to do this haywire twist, you're gonna wanna get your thing locked up as you can. Make sure it's tight. And then now this is when you're gonna wrap it around itself. You can do this without it, but I like to do it with it because it helps get nicer, cleaner wraps. So when you do that, you're gonna go around again. Ow. You're gonna try your best to wrap it on itself, but if it's not, I mean, I've had them hold up to sharks. So when you get it about 4 to 5 times, oh my, it's easier when you're working with like a little bit longer wire instead of the shorter stuff. So that's focus. It's not gonna focus. It's gonna focus. Focus. Phone focus. So when it's like that, probably get it again. I don't see why not. Yeah, yeah. Once you do that, you're gonna get your wire. Get your wire cutters. You're gonna pop the line kind of close right there. There you go, like that. There's your little excess, put that right there. This is your finished product. I know you see it, but it's not wrapped on itself, and then it's wrapped on itself to where it holds everything in place. So yeah, now that you have that, you would go and get your swivel, and I'm trying to, so then you'll get your swivel. Where's it at? Your snap swivel, and you'll just repeat the process again. You're gonna make sure it's the top one, and then this is where your weight's gonna go. And then you're gonna do the same thing. Go like this. Oh, don't want that to. You'll go like right here. Like that, 1, 2, 3. Then this is where this is gonna get interesting. Okay, do the same thing right here like that. Same exact thing, hang wire twist. And there's many tools out there that can help you with it, but you gotta buy them off Amazon and all that. And then you're gonna get one more. Goes like that. Make it focus. It's a little bit nicer and neater than this haywire twist. But this is your finished product. This is the leader portion. Now the mono part's a little easier. So you'll just cut off your excess. You want to get it kind of close. So when you're done with that, you're going to get your mono. So this is your leader portion. I like to use 80 pound. Yeah, 80 pound mono. Don't go less than 80 pounds. If you do, go 80 to 100 pound. You don't want it too thick. You don't want it too thin. So you'll get your about, let's say, arm's length right there. A little more if you want. That's your preference. But this is used for their tail. So when they swing their tail, if you do hook up to the shark, because they got like sandpaper skin, you can slice through braid like it's a hot knife through butter. Like it's a hot knife through butter. And it's just, so you don't lose your fish. It's like 12 right now, and I gotta go to bed. I gotta finish video, upload it. So the knot we're going to use when we same thing we're gonna do. It's gonna be with this one. So for the uni knot, we're just gonna go under, and then so you have it's parallel like this. Then you're gonna ring it up onto itself. So then it's like this. Then you're gonna wrap it. 1, 2, 3, then you're gonna pull it, lubricate it. See how that goes nicely. You're gonna pull it down like this to where it looks like this. And then you're done, basically, with your leader. And then you would connect it with a double uni knot. So, if y'all found this video helping, or hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I will try to come out with more videos, but I'm in high school, and it's in school, and I got homework a lot. I'm a junior. Homework every night. So yeah, see y'all later.